guys, today we're going to cook. I'm going to cook with Dad.
You're not cooking me. We're cooking tacos. We are cooking tacos. Daddy and Autumn.
Yeah,
We're
nobody
cooking tacos.
else.
Nobody else.
Because they don't know it.
First, we have some ground beef.
Yep. So I'm going to pick it up too.
We're going to take it out. We're going to put it in there. We're going to put the pan on.
Yep. For 21 minutes, right?
Yep.
We'll put
Can you get the spoon?
Put it on for 21 minutes. This one?
Nope, the white one.
Okay. What do I do?
I'm going to show you.
Can I do it?
I'll show you.
I think I know what to do. Just do this. Chop it.
Yep, chop it up.
So we're going to chop it up.
Hold on. Let me break it up some. We're going to brown the ground beef. See, we're going to brown the ground beef. You got to tell people we're going to brown the ground beef.
We're going to brown the ground beef.
Watch out, that's hot.
Yes?
Yep, so let it cook for a little bit.
Okay, now, can I crunch it up? I don't see the blue. Oh, I see the blue now.
You see the fire?
Why is the fire blue?
I don't know.
I don't see fire blue. Have you?
We're using Old El Paso taco kit.
We're using taco paso kit, right?
Say it again.
Oh,
You gotta tell the people.
paso taco.
Okay. So we got ground beef.
Yeah.
We're gonna wait a couple seconds. We're gonna fast forward.
He's done.
So we're back, guys.
Yeah.
We have Autumn cutting lettuce, and I'll be cutting the tomatoes.
Yep.
So when you cut them, Autumn, you put them in there, okay?
Okay.
I got a big tomato. Be careful, okay? If you cut your finger, I'm going to jail.
How?
So you hold it.
I know.
How do you know?
Because a long time ago, Mimi showed me how to cut watermelon.
Thank you, Autumn.
You're welcome. Daddy, can I cut this one you do like that?
You say what?
Can I cut this one you do like that? I was going to do that, Daddy.
Hold on. You cut this one. You going to cut some more?
Yeah.
Cut them up small, okay?
Okay. So first we do this, okay?
Okay.
You do the small ones, okay?
Okay.
Why does this look like watermelon? Another one, please, Daddy.
Hold on. I got to cut them up small. Bring your hand.
Got time for this one.
There go one. You're going to cut them. There go two of them for you. So now, I am cutting tomatoes.
Me and me.
I got to check on the ground beef. I got it off to your right
It's
there.
brown.
Making sure it's all brown. Let's see if I can let you see it. I'm cutting it off. And look, it's all brown. Yeah, baby. So now I have to put it in the strainer. Make sure all of the oil is drained out. All of the grease is drained out. So putting it in the strainer. Letting it drain out. And I'm going to try to use this pan again for the taco sauce. Thank you, Autumn.
Can I do that? I want to do this, Daddy. I want to do this part. I want to do that one.
Okay. So
Here you
once
go,
it's
Daddy.
drained out. So I went to a store before and they had a ground beef burger. I thought it was nasty until I tasted it. It tastes pretty good.
Me.
This is like ground beef like this
I go with
on a
Daddy.
sandwich with
I go
mayo
with
and just the same thing you use for a burger.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. I'm gonna cut these little up, real little, okay?
Okay.
She's the chef and I'm the helper.
Here.
Good work.
He's the smaller part, and I'm...
Watch your finger, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, baby.
Okay. Now I'm gonna cut the lettuce.
You cutting the lettuce? See, we cut tomatoes. We cut them fairly big, but yeah.
Now Daddy has to cut the
good.
small pieces.
See that?
Daddy cut the small pieces.
Man, get a trash bag for y'all.
Yeah, cut the small pieces.
You letting her use a knife?
Yeah.
It's a
I'm watching that.
Yeah.
I've used a knife before.
You know that knife is backwards? You throwing the whole thing away?
No, just, yeah.
I gotta just turn it around.
Sorry.
Yeah, take it with you.
Thank you.
There you go,
Daddy,
baby.
use the small pieces.
Thank you, baby. I'm going to pause it here while we're doing this. Hello, guys. So we're back.
Yes.
So again, I said
I
we're
was just
using.
watching the movie just a little bit, like for 1 minute.
We're watching.
I mean,
We're
2
making this El Paso taco dinner kit.
Yep. Now
So,
we're gonna put the
We got to
sauce
put ingredients in.
Yeah.
So
I'm
yeah.
gonna put all the ingredients all by myself, not Daddy, all by myself.
all by herself. So we're gonna put 2/3 cup of water in it. We're making
Yeah.
2 boxes. So that means we got to put 1 cup and 1/3.
Yep. Okay, it's all by myself, so Dad's
So,
gonna
okay,
give me
put
the
this in.
water.
Yeah, that's right. Just splash it all over the house. I gotta get 1/3 cup. Hold on.
I thought the water was orange. Now we need the
One
second
more.
cup.
It's the little one. It's the 1/3.
Let me do it. Let me
Go
do
ahead.
it.
Thank you, Autumn. Chef Autumn, I'm sorry. So,
Now I'm
this.
going to put that by myself.
I guess so.
I'm going to put it all the ingredients all by myself.
Go ahead, put it in.
So we have to just do this. Now
Yeah, open
it's
it
time
up.
to put
And
it
put it in.
in.
Watch your hands so you won't get burnt. You won't go to jail. Well, I get in trouble by mommy. I'd rather go to jail.
Why is mommy gonna let you go to jail?
No, I'd rather or get mommy to beat me up. She'll be mad at me because I made you fall. Hold on, let me move you closer. There we go. So what you do is
I know what to do.
Okay, I'm sorry, Chef Autumn. I forgot she's teaching me how to cook. We've been cooking for 7 minutes.
7 minutes is not long. So Daddy's gonna help me. Like,
Hold on, I gotta open it up some. There you go.
Okay, now let me do it.
Go ahead, Chef Autumn.
Put them on my hands. Put it all over. That smells
Is it
so
all out?
good. No. Put it over here too.
Yep, we gotta swish it around. Move, shake it to the side like that. That's all gone.
Now can I do it?
Hold
Mix
on.
it?
Now,
Mix it
Chef
up.
Autumn has to mix it. Hold on, let me pick this up so you can see what we're doing.
So let's get started. Mix
So
it
let's
up.
get started. She's mixing it together.
Yep. It looks so good. Ooh, it smells good too. I'm gonna eat chicken nuggets for dinner, and I'm gonna.
Wait a minute, you're not eating tacos with us?
I don't eat tacos.
Are you trying to poison us?
So I'm gonna help Daddy too with that. Make chicken nuggets.
Get that stuff over there on the side.
I am, blah, blah, blah. This is so fun cooking with Daddy, guys. I have a chef hat. That is good. Now we have to flat it right.
Hold on, let me see it.
Hold on. Mix some more. We gotta mix it a
Watch it,
lot
watch it.
more. Kind of hot. Can I hold on to this, Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
I won't fall in it.
Watch out for your shirt, baby.
I will. Can I flat in it?
Can you fart in it?
Flatten.
Oh, no, that's fine. Just like this.
We have a little bit some white there. We don't know why. Why?
Oh, so I can use for something now. So,
So we
look at
can-
that. That looks really good.
Yeah.
Chef Autumn cooked it. Cut the
All
stuff
by
down
myself,
some.
nobody else.
That looks really nice, Chef Autumn.
So for a minute,
Daddy
for a
and
minute,
Chef Autumn have cooked tacos. So that's a good
Alright,
start.
now we're gonna floss it because we can't do it too.
No, we're not pausing it. We're done. It's all over. Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you.